Hey guys, today let's learn how to find old tweets on Twitter by date. So if you guys want to go ahead and search for old tweets by date, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to do this, so please watch this video and find out in the end. Okay guys, what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Twitter or the X application, and then once we're here, of course I would like you guys to also log in to your preferred accounts, and then what we need to do from there is to, well, go on over onto the search bar or onto the magnifying glass icon, tap on search, and what I want you to do once you're already on here is to type in the user and the dates as well into the search bar. So let's say that I'm trying to search for a specific user's tweets. I'm going to enter their username. In this case, it's basically this person right here. And then let's actually go ahead and see if this person is existing. And let's just wait for this to load. And we basically need to have, of course, well, a real username for you guys to search for. Let's try this one, and then this is actually available. And once this is already done, once their username is already entered, the next thing that you should enter is, well, a space. And once that is already entered, we need to enter the specific date range. So in this case, you could enter, of course, the year first. So let's enter 2022 dash, and then let's enter a month, like let's say 01 dash again, and then the date. So let's say maybe 10. And then from here, let's go ahead and enter a space again, and let's enter until colon, and then the date again. So let's say 2022 dash 05 dash again, and then the day, which is, let's just say 12. Now, one more important thing that we just missed here is actually to enter the since right before the start date. So over here, let's go on over to the start date. Okay, let's go on over to the start date once more, and then let's enter since over there, and then another semicolon to finish the search. Now, once this is done, this is actually going to allow you to go ahead and search for specific tweets in this date range, and whichever one you would like to search for. Let's say you want to find tweets on an older date range, you could actually use this method just by searching for their username, entering this since semicolon the date range until ending date range, and then tapping on search to see the search results. And that's how you guys could find old tweets on Twitter by date. That's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. Take care. This is How to Tech and Tutorials.